Roach Coach Studios.
It's all in the lips. New Kegel exercises for those suffering from a prolapsed uterus. More on this at 10. But first, breaking news! There have been reports of a mysterious sound emanating from an unknown origin. Spreading across North America, many call it the sound of the apocalypse. But scientists say they are merely low-frequency sonic emissions created from solar flares. For more on this, we now go to NASA's chief scientist at NASA headquarters in Washington, Professor!
Ah, yes. We have analyzed these sounds and found that most of the spectrum lies within the infrasound range. A range is not audible to humans. This low-frequency sound range may generate from natural phenomena, such as volcanoes or earthquakes. But the frequency and sound in question far exceeds the aforementioned causes. We now believe powerful solar flares carrying towards Earth's surface and undermining the magnetosphere, ionosphere, upper atmosphere, warping and distending them out into space and causes of the aforementioned sound.
Thank you, Professor. Now we go to Reverend Shantz and Republican Senator Jebediah Fudd for their thoughts. Gentlemen?
Thank you, Rocha. What we have going on here is an awakening. People's ears are open. Don't resist the sound. Let God the Almighty penetrate you and fill you with His creamy goodness.
Oh, thanks, McClelland. I think it's the terrorists in Obama's America. Yeah, for one, I think we've had enough. We're hemorrhaging money like idiotic sectors in schools. Learning education.
Yes, thought-provoking. Reverend, your thoughts?
Wait one cotton-picking minute. What we need now more than ever is Jesus, the Almighty, God, and snakes.
I think we need guns, and we need more assault rifles and tanks, and we need jets. All these things we need much, much more.
Compelling. Reverend, your final word. Senator Fudd, your thoughts. All right. Thank you, gentlemen. And now we go to our street correspondent, Barb Butterknuckle. Barb?
Okay, thank you very much, Nick. I'm here with the man who knows what happened.
Well, a year ago, the bottle skies opened up, yelling out, "Welcome to Earth, you crazy chew frogs making sandwiches," and I heard a sound. I thought it was just my mama taking a shit up. The animals! God damn it, you old goddamn rich cheese, I love quesadillas. Lesbians, that's all two aliens fucking.